Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hot Wheels and Dioramas, and a happy Halloween to all. Today we are gonna be unboxing two of my Hot Wheels. So let's not keep you waiting and get into the video. So guys, we have the two Hot Wheels here, and the one in the right side is quite a bit mystery for you, and let's start with the left one. So we'll be moving the right one aside. Okay, now this one, it's a famous car. Now can you comment which may be the car right now? Okay, now let's continue. As you can see here, it is saying LP620Z, and the only car which comes with that code is none other than Lamborghini Huracan. So here we can see its price written as rupees 120, so it's about $2 or quite so, around $2. And as you can see, its color is bright orange. So let's open it up. Yes man, yes, here she is, the beauty. Wow, she's awesome. Look at the detail, look at the logo here. I don't know whether you can see it clearly. No, yeah, it's quite awesome. Yeah, wow, I love it. Now let's go for the second one, our Halloween special Bone Crusher. It's one of 6 of holiday races, and as you can see, its price is about 99 rupees. It's a half buck. Now let's open her up too. Yeah, here she is. Oops. What kind of car is this? The car with the skull and a spine. Oops, it's too ugly to touch here. Oof. I think this car have glowing wheels. It's not written here anywhere, so maybe. So guys, comment below which one did you like of today's Hot Wheels unboxing, the Lamborghini Huracan or the Skull Crusher. Comment below. And that's it for our first episode. So let's go and see you again. Bye.